Gorilla Tech servers have issued flood warnings in the following counties: Gorilla Tech County, Playground County,
bonelab County. For others that in Gorilla Tech or any of these counties that I said, you have to seek shelter immediately. Please do not get out. Please do not get out. This might alert yourself to die. Don't die. Because these floods will be pretty dangerous. You cannot hide in city because it's too small in the store. In city, it's really clear. You just have to get up into high places. Make sure you're not getting in the flood or you'll die. Thanks for the information.